Hey, Coach Greg here at Svelte Training, and if you are trying to slim down your legs, then I have a 15-minute workout that's gonna do just that. Let's get to it. All right, so we're gonna start with a couple warm-up exercises, go into 3 full sets, and end with a cool down. So from start to finish, you should be able to get through this whole workout. We'll get our sweat on and have a great time by getting some slimmer legs in the process. That sounds like a win-win to me. So let's start off with our warm-up. We got some hip circles. We're gonna do 30 seconds on, 10 seconds off between each exercise, and here we go. I like to just spread my legs a little further apart and I just go put my hips to the full range of motion. I know it looks silly, but we're trying to get our body warmed up, ready to go, because you don't want stiff hips and legs when you're doing a whole leg workout. So I just go one way and then I switch, I go the other. You just want to make sure we're getting it to the side, like you can feel it in your groin, your hip flexor area. There it is. Be nice and gentle on your body. This is just the warm-up. And great job. Shake out your legs. Take a couple seconds, and then we're gonna go right into good mornings. Feet shoulder width apart. We're just gonna be hinging from our hips in 3, 2, 1. All we're doing is getting our chest down to parallel. You're gonna feel the stretch all in your calves, your hamstrings. Coming right back up. Pulling with our hips. There it is. Go to wherever range of motion you can. We want to feel a little bit of a stretch, but we're not trying to feel any pain. There it is, doing great. This is a great stretch. I love stretching my hamstrings because they're always tight. And up. Great job. Last warm-up exercise, we're gonna do a couple quad stretches. We stretched the back, we stretched our hips. Now let's stretch these guys right here. So we got 30 seconds and let's get it. All you're doing is just grabbing your ankle and pulling. You're gonna feel it all up in here. Shake out the leg, grab the other one. If you want, you can do 15 seconds one leg, 15 seconds the next, but I like to just alternate. Feel that stretch, let it relax. Do the other one. We're gonna need these for the next couple exercises we got going. There it is. So one last leg. 3, 2, 1, and down. All right, let's get into our first full set. 30 seconds on, 10 seconds off. You know the drill. Grab water, stop and start however much you need, but there should be enough rest period for you to be able to conquer this. No problem. So here we go. We're gonna start with some hip openers. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. All we're doing is bringing our leg high and over. Pretend there's like a hurdle or something that you have to step over. We're just trying to bring our hip to the full range of motion. If this is too difficult, feel free to hold on to something. That usually helps. We're just trying to get these hips nice and open. There it is. 3, 2, 1, down. Great job. Take a couple seconds rest here. We're gonna be going into some high knee marches. Here we go. I try to also do some active rest as well, so I'm trying to move around, you know, do some side steps if you want. You can be walking it out, do whatever you need. Alrighty, we're going to high knee marches in 3, 2, 1, let's get it. So all we're doing is bringing our knee up on high, and we're just marching with it. The moment my foot hits the ground, I try to bounce the other one up, just like that. Try not to be bent over like this. Strong core, flat back. And again, if you need to, hold on to something. Do this from a seated position, whatever you need to keep it going. Just see if you can bring the knee as high as you can. 3, 2, 1, down. Great job. Take your 10-second rest, then we're moving into sumo pulses. I know, we're starting to crank up the intensity. You just want to have a nice, strong base, wide base, I should say. I like to point my feet at least 45 degrees to the side. And we are going to get ourselves into a sumo squat position, and we are going to pulse. Here we go, in 3, 2, 1, let's get it. So get in here, and boom. You don't have to sink all the way down, but the goal is we don't want to be standing all the way up. So just in this pocket right here, there it is. Be nice and gentle. If we want slimmer legs, this is how we do it. There it is. And make sure you're breathing. And if you need to rest at the top, you can, but that's the end of that round anyway, so great job. Got a couple more seconds rest here. We're gonna move into some alternating Romanian deadlifts. We got this, we're crushing it. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. We're gonna alternate, bringing one leg up. We're hinging from our hips like this. Boom, bring it down. You can keep that back leg straight. Almost becomes like a hinge or a fulcrum. Just like that, you're gonna feel it all up in the leg that is planted. Just make sure you have flat back. You're not trying to like go all the way up or down. We're really just focusing on that leg that's planted. Have a nice little bend in that knee. All right, one more. And up. Great job. You are crushing this. We have some butt kicks next. Here we go. Take a couple seconds. Shake it out. Have fun with it. Because we got some butt kicks. In 3, 2, 1. Let's get kicking. There it is. We already stretched out our quads earlier, so this should feel nice and loose for you. You're doing great. Kick that butt. There it is. Come on. We can keep the speed low for this first set, but the next 2 sets, let's get it cranking. 3, 2, 1, down. Great job. We have one more exercise in set number 1. We have the good old squat. I know you're like, no, but come on, you can't do a leg workout without squats. Come on, that's one of the best exercises for your lower body. You got this. Here we go. Do shoulder width apart, whatever type of squat you'd like. 3, 2, 1, and let's drop it like it's hot. So just get on down, boom. You can take a second at the top if you need to. You don't have to go all the way down. You can just do a quarter. You can have a seat behind you and use that. Just make sure you're breathing. We want chest up. We're not trying to be down here or be whatever. Just want to be able to sit back into it, flat back, come right back up. And again, you don't have to be all the way down here. You can do here. This works too. Whatever you want. 3, 2, 1, and done. Set number 1 is done. Follow my lead. You're doing amazing. Let's get it. Hip openers, 3, 2, 1, go. High knee marches, 3, 2, 1, go. Sumo pulses, 3, 2, 1, go. Alternating RDLs, 3, 2, 1, go. Butt kicks, 3, 2, 1, go. Squats, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job. Second set is done. One more set to go. Come on, let's finish strong. Grab water whenever you need to, but we're just gonna keep it pushing. You're doing amazing. Let's get it. High knee marches, 3, 2, 1, go. Sumo pulses, 3, 2, 1, go. Alternating RDLs, 3, 2, 1, go. Butt kicks, 3, 2, 1, go. Squats, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job. We're just gonna do a couple exercises for a cool down. Just got 30 seconds on. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. We're just gonna walk it out. Boom. Try to get your heart rate back down. Make sure you're breathing. Shake out your arms. Shake out your legs. If you need to, hands behind the head. Open up the airways. There it is, you did a great job. These are the type of exercises I like. They're fast, they work, they get me all sweaty. All right, let's just finish with some knee hugs. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Just drive your knee up as high as you can. Grab it with your hands. Really just helps stretch out your legs. Make sure you're breathing. Thank you so much for joining me on this workout. I had a blast. Feel free to come back to it if you want a nice little slim legs workout for your week. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Give yourself one of these and one of these. You crushed that. Thank you so much for joining me. I will see you in the next video. Stay strong, my friend. Peace.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes updated daily.